Want to turn your favorite NFL player into a bold 3D sticker? In this tutorial, I will show you how to design eye-catching sports stickers in Canva. No design skills needed. Open your Canva and choose your project size. I will choose Instagram post. And then type the number of your favorite player. For example, I will type here 17. Increase the size. And then change the font to a block font like your book solid. And then change the color to your theme color. I will choose white and go to effect and choose outline. Change the outline color to the color of the theme. Okay, I will choose this navy. And then upload your player photo. I use a photo from image generator here. I made it in Canva AI. Remove the background. I will move it here and increase the size. Okay. And then duplicate. Place the duplicate right on the origin. And then crop from the left to the center. I mean here. And then type the name of the player. Change the font to the same font. And also change the color. Or change it to white and I'll give effect here. And change the color of the outline. And then add the thickness. And I will add the letter spacing. Alright. I will rotate it 90 degree and push it here. And I will reduce the size. Okay, I will increase the letter spacing for more. And I will reduce a little. Okay. And then download. Transparent background as PNG and click download. And then I will add a new page and change the color of the background. For example, this blue. And then upload the PNG that we just downloaded. And then select the image and go to edit. And then choose shadow, outline. Change the outline color to white or whatever color you want. And then increase the size to maximum. And then to create a 3D effect, I will duplicate it and select the first image and change the color to color of a shadow like this gray. And then back to the copy, the duplicate I mean, and move it here. And then use your arrow button. I will move it to the top a little. Alright, so now we have the 3D effect here. And then you can print it as a sticker or just a sticker without this gray shadow. Alright, so now you have it. Hit like if you enjoy this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Also, I share some exclusive Canva templates on my Gumroad store. You will find the link in the description. See you soon and have fun with Canva.